Now I have this removed here. I can see where it's going a bit better. So here you have the motor. This is just a plug, so you just put it out. And it's going easy like that. You mess with this one so much for nothing. So I'm gonna put the vacuum motor aside. Just go with this here. So from inside I can see the black and black and white wire. Probably going somewhere in the plug. We have now that thingy removed, some dust and stuff. But yeah, so when I pull the rope, it's going back. I can see some black and white wire here in the middle. I'm not sure what happened where. Two wires going in. Two wires going to the motor. There's three here. So it's like the 120, one wire going there and the other there, the white. What I'm thinking. So, I'm gonna start by going inside here. I'm gonna go with my multimeters in beeping mode. I'm gonna check one prong. Should be positive. Nothing on the black. Okay. Again, the big tips. The white. It's nothing but here and the white. There's nothing. So weird. After I'm gonna go with the neutral. Nothing. How? Here I should have something somewhere. Like I said, the 120 should go there and there. So it was not this prong. If I check this prong, maybe a beep, something. If I'm crazy. I'm just crazy. What the hell? Come on. Sure, I'm touching the contact here. So that thing is broken. Okay, so if I go this one here, the black too, anywhere. This one here. No? Hey, come on. Whew. So I can see the black. It's going here. So okay, that could be real. Okay, I'll try. This one here. On the other side, the black. Start. Bip. Yeah. So I have something good. One good thing. The white here. What about the white? The white not going. Where? Yeah, the white's going to the white. That's good. The white is. It's the white. Yeah. So the white black going there are good. But there is not. Is there a fuse somewhere? Is the rotation contact thing that busted? Oi, should I? Okay, make sure of that. So with that here, what should I do? Oh my lord. So the spring thingy seems here. I'm wrong. There's another spring here. Don't want to mess with those spring. Ay, ay, ay. There's a cover. Can I pop a cover here somewhere? Oh, there's a cover here. Dun, dun, dun. Cover here. Pop, pop. No, right inside here. So moving here. About here. So dirty. Oh, that's a cover. Okay. So this to here. To inside here. This one. Some clip here too. Wow. Okay. It's a little cover here. Clip. Oh, that's a clip going to. Well, we're gonna have fun here. Don't stab yourself. Oh, one clip. Another clip pretty deep here. Oh, how? From there. Here. Doo-doo. The clips. Here we go. This moving part here. Moving part. Up. There we go. Bye. There's 2, 3 more. 21 and this one. So the black is inside. I'm gonna cover them with this. Yes. Okay. Like it. Not really, but it was not bad. How is it? Kind of spinning thingy. Oh, that's the button. So when you push the button, watch this. The finger, don't crush the finger. Okay. This, and you push the button. It's like a brake. Okay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. There's not much choice to do here. Not much choice to do. Lol. I see some clips inside. Some white clips. This. Yeah. Got them. About here, there's 4 clips. Yes. Yes. No, yes, no. Yeah. Wow. Just turn it. So you can see it's going around, going that inside that thingy. And It's going on the other side. Whoa, there's one busted pin? No. So those two pins. Those and those. Oh my god. So again, let's meter. Beep mode. What's happening here? If I take that big prong, there's no fuse. I don't think there's a fuse. The big prong. And if I touch, beep beep. So man, that going here. The wire is cut. The wire is cut. That's a big problem here. Yo. Okay. So something's wrong here. Then do I have a short? I think I don't have a short in between. I don't think so. Beep here. Wow, wow, wow. So I'm gonna completely unplug it. So, 1, 2, boop, boop. So there's nothing to do here and the other side. I'm gonna test it. Bit mode. So if I got that prong here, another prong, anyone? Yes. Not both, just one. So that's good. And here? Oh, what? Make sure it's touching. So that's good too. So I have the live, I have the ground. That's a neat part. Need to be cleaned, but it's working. So I got the motor here. It's hard to spin. I'm gonna put some super oil. And with that oil, it should work very good. So there we go. So spinning good now. But I should try to open that and look at the ball bearing, and I think there's some brush here and here. You have to make sure the movement, the spring is going good and it's good contact with the stratter. So yeah, I'm gonna open that.